normal car, fairly subdued. Something a secretary might drive. Or it can get loud and shouty. And what we'll do is we'll go up here around the bend. And I'll be in third gear. I'm in third gear now. We'll go around the bend. And I'll step on it and kick the other 2 barrels of the 4-barrel carburetor in.
Nice.
And we'll see what it does. And then if you don't want it to be loud and shouty, you get it into 5th gear and all you get is wind noise.
Nice hot summer day.
Yep. One of the things that's nice about it is the digital. These instruments are all digital. They're made by Dakota Digital out in the Northwest, and they use all the original bezel. So it's not like it's a strange looking instrument panel. It's a 1967 instrument panel. It's just got decent gauges, all electronic sensors and all of that sort of thing. So it's easy to keep tabs on what the engine's doing.
Tell me about this.
That's a reproduction of an original Mustang radio. It's stereo. It's got a fader because there's speakers in the back. Dual cone speakers all the way around. And because of the year of the technology, it's got a cassette player with it.
Yeah, that's very nostalgic. Tell me about this exhaust system that sounds so good.
Well, connected with the 4-barrel Holley carburetor, that carburetor is 750 CFM carburetor. It sucks in a lot of air. And you got to get rid of the air, so it's got 2 1/4 inch pipes, dual exhaust